This lesson we will start from importing our title rectangle to timeline, and now let's import spring waterfall footage as well. Extend length of this clip to match with our title. Now create another title and choose random tool, for example rectangle tool. At Properties, change Graphic Type to Graphics, and now we are able to import our logo. Double-click here and open it. You can use different formats like PNG, JPG, but also vector files like Illustrator or EPS. Now resize it, stretch and place it on middle. OK, close this window. Now drag and drop this title, select it and go to Effects, type Crop. We want to cut the text and leave just logo. It's very simple to do. I want just button crop. We can always scale this logo and play with different settings. Now drag and drop trackmat key effect. Set to video number 3. We can leave it because it looks quite good, but we can also use tint effect to make our video in this shape black and white. Now we can decrease amounts to tints to maybe 75% and create opacity keyframes. First frame to 0%, go 1 second further and change to 100. Change keyframe type to easy in and that's it. If you are happy with this effect, you can nest this sequence, save and use it later, but try to use different blend modes to achieve nice effect. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next section.